Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and today I just want to quickly share some happy mail that I have received. And if you read my blog, then you will already have seen this fabulous gift box from my lovely friend Karen McDonald, who is one of the Pootlers team, and Karen's YouTube and social media etc. is Corrie Paper Crafts, and I'll put some links in the description below for this video. And as well as sending me this gift box, which was filled with packs of sugar, there's a story, she also included this lovely little gift holder that did have 3 chocolate mints in there, but they didn't last long. So thank you so much, Karen, and I will link to the blog post that I already published about this fabulous project. And I have received this beautiful card from the lovely Anthony Asadorian, and I have become friends with Anthony completely virtually through another Stampin' Up demonstrator, Jill Chapman, Paper Daisy Crafting, and Anthony is one of Jill's customers and sometimes team member, and it's just absolutely lovely. So he sends me a card every now and again, and I have a few of them dotted around about my desk. Just grab one here, another one, and they all just make me smile so much. I'm not going to show you what he's written inside, but he always writes lovely, lovely things inside. But he recently went to London and toured Buckingham Palace, and he's enclosed this lovely little postcard in there as well. Just always brightens my day to get a card from the lovely Anthony, or from anyone, to be perfectly honest. But Anthony's cards are always just stunning. Love it. And this is not a handmade card, but I think it's really funny. And I received this from a lovely local lady who volunteers at the museum that's across the road from my house in Preston Pans in East Lothian. And she was having terrible difficulty getting the key to work in the lock, so I supplied pliers and WD-40 and some encouragement, and she sent me this little thank you card and a little box of treats as well. Just lovely. I was just in the right place at the right time to see that she was struggling, and she asked if I could help, and I could, so I did. So then I met with 2 of my lovely teammates, Elaine Smith, who I will put a link to Elaine's crafty pages in the description for this as well. Elaine is in the same team as me. Our upline is Valerie Broomfield, and so I met with Elaine and also Lorraine, who is in my team, a couple of days ago, and Elaine gave me this beautiful card, absolutely lovely. I do like a square card, and she's got foil in the background and this very clean and simple, which is, you know, Elaine has mastered. Just that little peek through there. And these are from one of the ephemera packs, and I just love that she's not bothered to colour that in. She's just added little jewels in there, and it's just lovely and sparkling, and the message inside is heartwarming. So thank you so much for that, Elaine. And then I've got this little gift bag. This is a retired gift bag that was already pre-made and scored, and she has used some gorgeous retired designer series paper. I can't remember exactly what it was called, that had dies that coordinated with it, and lovely sparkly gems there. And then inside that is a little handmade box. It says wrapped especially for you, and layered up there, and more silver foil on there. Beautiful little unusual shaped handle on that as well. If Elaine has a tutorial for this, then I will link that to this. She does photograph tutorials on her blog that are fabulous as well. So I'll have links to Elaine Smith Designs and to Corrie Paper Crafts in the description for this. Please do share the love and go and check them out. Like, follow, subscribe, all of the above. And thank you to everyone who sends me anything in the post. But I particularly love the handmade, and I might just have to case this. I particularly like that little handle on there. So thank you to everyone sending me their gorgeous creations, and I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed receiving them. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, take care. Bye bye.